money. I tell them, yeah, I tell them, no, they gon' look at me. Chill. Like, if it's one thing y'all gonna know about me, I love raw wave, man. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another video. If your day's not going good, I hope tomorrow is better. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button, that notification bell. If you are subscribed, thank you for your loyalty. Bro, the channel has been doing great. The channel has been doing great. The videos have been doing great. The presets have been doing great. Everything has been going good. I appreciate y'all so much. And I mean, the hard work is finally starting to pay off from all the hard work I put into these videos. And I'm glad that I could, you know, just be here for y'all. Honestly, truly, like from the bottom of my heart, I really mean that. We about to be at 1.5K. I just hit 1,000 like a month and a half ago. Yo, bro. Hey. Like I said, I appreciate it. I definitely do. It means a lot. I can clearly tell I'm like cheesy as hell. This video, we got another POV football video. We finally have a POV football game. And not only that, we got Friday Night Lights. This was a game I shot about 2 weeks ago now. Jeez, this should have been out, I'm sorry. When it comes to working with clients and also doing this, things can get a little out of hand, but I'm still trying to keep up with the uploads, trying to make sure it's at least once a week. I'm trying. We're gonna work on it. But yeah, so this is a POV football video, a football game, Friday Night Lights of Bloomfield versus Nutley. It was their first game of the season. And I mainly did video, but you know, took a little bit of photos as well with the settings and everything, of course. So other than that, that's pretty much all. Don't forget to check out the merch link in the description down below. And at the top link in the description, don't forget to check out the preset because I used the football nighttime photography for these exact photos. And I mean, it's y'all be the judge. If they come out nice, let me know. But other than that, let's get right to the video. Okay, we out here at the Nutley versus Bloomfield High football game. We at halftime right now. As y'all can see the score right there, we got 20-10. So I'm gonna just show y'all real quick some nighttime photography. I was just doing video. The game started at 7. It was still daytime, so you don't have to wait till halftime. And yeah, we just gonna get into it. Lock in. Current settings, 1/500, 2.8, 2000 ISO. I guess you say, what can make me feel this way, my girl? Yeah, what y'all know about that, man? My girl. You say, what can make me feel this way, my girl? Talking about elite bops. Now we're gonna do a couple, I don't even know if y'all can hear me because the music's so loud. But all right, now we're gonna do a couple pictures for a couple plays. I think they're about to start now. We got kickoff, Bloomfield returning. Let's get it. So I'm actually doing photos and video today. So for right now, I'm gonna do some video until they get a little bit closer. Then I'm gonna show y'all a little bit I'm gonna try to get some action photos. Because I think that's the majority of what people are interested in getting or trying to figure out how to get action photos at night, because your shutter has to be low, ISO, the grain, yada yada yada. So we're gonna get right into that after they get a little closer. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to my photo setting, switch my settings back. So I'm gonna put my ISO at about 2000, right? And I'm gonna put my shutter at 500. Now the rest of what I'm gonna do, these photos are a little bit too dark for my liking as they are right now. The rest of what I'm gonna do is gonna be in post. So let's go ahead and hit number 1 real quick. Let's get a little lower. So the stationary shots are beautiful. He didn't really do anything on that play, but you know what? We're up. Okay, we got my boy number 8 out here. This is realistically who I am shooting for. So let's see if he performs. Let's see. Run play. Okay, that's fine. All right, I think I'm gonna follow the ball this time. Let's see where the play goes. Okay, pass. Just pass out of bounds. Just snuck a picture of this photographer right here.
Said he watches my videos. Oh my God. Oh, they double flagged him. Damn. Shots at 9 and 6 right there. Oh man, it's about that time. It's getting cold again. Fuck. I'm out here with shorts. And it was hot earlier. Sun went down, bro. It's like 70 out here right now. It's actually 68. GG. Let's get some quick shots at 8 right now.
What y'all think, man? What y'all think? I feel like, I'm not gonna lie, those photos came out beautiful, bro. It's something about that nighttime photography. It's something about that. It's like, I don't know. Oh my, yo, the preset works so nicely with nighttime photos, and it just gives a great vibe. I genuinely like it. And I mean, listen, y'all let me know what y'all favorite photo was. My personal favorite photo was of number 1, when you could also see the scoreboard. It showed the school, it showed him. I feel like that was a really great photo. Y'all let me know in the comments down below what was y'all favorite photo. I appreciate all the support. I'm gonna try to upload a whole lot more this football season just so I can get a whole bunch of stuff out. I have a lot of footage too. I definitely have a lot of footage, a lot of things I wanna post. I also have a lot of one question Q&As gotta get up. I don't know if y'all can see on here. This is YouTube videos I have to get done. I'm gonna try to get a lot of these out to y'all, man. I'm one person. I really need an editor. I'm one person though, so I'm gonna get these out. I appreciate all the support. Definitely drop a like, subscribe to the channel. And once again, merch link in the description down below, preset link in the description down below. We'll see you on the next one. Oh wait, hold on. Don't stay creative. Please. See you next one.